2018 by his electric car company Tesla. Tesla may have relocated its headquarters. Tesla has been very successful in the premium market. They're moving into the mass market. Tesla has long been synonymous with innovation and cutting-edge technology in the automotive industry. Known for revolutionizing electric vehicles, EVs, and pushing the boundaries of what cars can do, Tesla continues to set the standard for the future of driving. Recently, Franz Von Holzhausen, Tesla's chief designer, unveiled an unexpected addition to Tesla's lineup: the Tesla Model 1, a compact electric vehicle with a starting price of $10,000. This announcement has sent ripples through the automotive world, as the introduction of such an affordable EV could have far-reaching implications for both the industry and consumers. Before we start, smash the like and subscribe buttons for more updates. Franz von Holzhausen is no stranger to groundbreaking design. With a portfolio that includes the sleek lines of the Model S, the futuristic appeal of the Model 3, the versatile Model X, and the mass-market Model Y, Von Holzhausen has consistently delivered vehicles that are both aesthetically pleasing and functionally superior. The Model 1, however, represents a bold new direction for Tesla, targeting a market segment that has often been overlooked by luxury EV manufacturers: the budget-conscious consumer. The primary goal of the Model 1 is to democratize access to electric vehicles. By offering a high-quality, affordable EV, Tesla aims to accelerate the global shift towards sustainable transportation. This initiative aligns with Elon Musk's long-term vision of reducing carbon emissions and fostering a cleaner environment. The Model 1 is designed to appeal to a wide audience, including first-time car buyers, urban dwellers looking for a compact city car, and environmentally conscious consumers who previously found EVs financially out of reach. The Tesla Model 1's design is a testament to von Holzhausen's ability to blend form and function. Despite its lower price point, the Model 1 does not compromise on aesthetics. It features a sleek, minimalist design with clean lines and a compact frame, making it ideal for navigating crowded city streets and tight parking spaces. The car's exterior is reminiscent of its more expensive siblings, showcasing Tesla's signature front fascia and streamlined silhouette. Inside, the Model 1 offers a surprisingly spacious cabin for a compact car. Tesla has utilized clever design techniques to maximize interior space, providing ample legroom and storage options. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen display, a hallmark of Tesla's in-car experience, offering access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The interior materials, while not as luxurious as those in the higher-end models, are of high quality, ensuring a comfortable and pleasant driving experience. In terms of performance, the Model 1 is expected to offer impressive range and efficiency for its price. While exact specifications have not been released, industry experts predict a range of around 150 to 200 miles on a single charge. This range makes the Model 1 suitable for daily commuting and short trips, catering to the needs of urban drivers. The vehicle is also expected to feature Tesla's advanced driver assistance systems, providing a safe and reliable driving experience. The introduction of the Tesla Model 1 places it in direct competition with other affordable EVs on the market. Brands like Nissan, Chevrolet, and Hyundai have been catering to the budget EV segment for several years, and their offerings provide a useful benchmark for evaluating the Model 1. The Nissan Leaf, for instance, has been one of the most popular affordable EVs since its launch in 2010. Priced around $32,000, the Leaf offers a range of approximately 150 miles, similar to the expected range of the Model 1. However, Tesla's reputation for superior battery technology and innovative features could give the Model 1 a competitive edge, especially considering its significantly lower price. Chevrolet's Bolt EV is another notable competitor. With a starting price of around $31,000 and a range of over 250 miles, the Bolt EV sets a high standard for affordable electric cars. Tesla will need to match or exceed these specifications to capture the attention of budget-conscious consumers. Additionally, The Bolt EV's spacious interior and advanced safety features make it a formidable rival. Hyundai's Kona Electric also deserves mention. Offering a range of around 258 miles and a starting price of approximately $37,000, the Kona Electric is known for its stylish design and robust feature set. It has been well received by consumers and critics alike. Tesla's Model 1 will need to deliver on both performance and aesthetics to compete with the Kona Electric. One of the primary challenges facing the EV market has been the high cost of entry. While many consumers are interested in electric vehicles for their environmental benefits and lower operating costs, the initial purchase price has been a significant barrier. The Model 1 addresses this issue head-on, making electric vehicles accessible to a broader audience, much broader audience. Furthermore, the introduction of the Model 1 could prompt other automakers to reevaluate their pricing strategies. Brands like Nissan, Chevrolet, and Hyundai may need to lower the prices of their entry-level EVs or enhance their feature sets to remain competitive. This increased competition could drive innovation and lead to further advancements in EV technology. The Model 1 could also have a positive impact on the development of EV infrastructure. As more consumers adopt electric vehicles, the demand for charging stations and related services is likely to increase. This could lead to the expansion of charging networks, making it more convenient for EV owners to charge their vehicles and potentially reducing range anxiety. While the Tesla Model 1 promises to be a game-changer, it also faces several challenges. One of the primary concerns is whether Tesla can maintain profitability while offering such an affordable vehicle. The $10,000 price point is significantly lower than any of Tesla's previous models, and achieving this price without compromising on quality will be a formidable task. Tesla's manufacturing capabilities will also be put to the test. Producing a high volume of vehicles at a low price requires efficient production processes and supply chain management. Any disruptions or inefficiencies could impact the availability and affordability of the Model 1. Another consideration is the competition from other automakers. Established brands like Nissan, Chevrolet, and Hyundai have a head start in the affordable EV segment, and they are likely to respond aggressively to Tesla's entry. Additionally, new players such as Rivian and Lucid Motors are also entering the EV market with innovative offerings. Tesla will need to continually innovate and improve the Model 1 to stay ahead of the competition. The unveiling of the Tesla Model 1 marks a significant milestone in the journey towards sustainable transportation. By offering an affordable, high-quality electric vehicle, Tesla is poised to make a substantial impact on the automotive industry and accelerate the transition to electric mobility. As more consumers embrace electric vehicles, the demand for affordable options is likely to grow. This could lead to a proliferation of budget-friendly EVs from both established automakers and new entrants. The increased competition and innovation in the affordable EV segment could drive advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and vehicle features, ultimately benefiting consumers and the environment. The Model 1's success will depend on various factors, including Tesla's ability to deliver on its promises, the response from competitors, and the overall market dynamics. However, one thing is certain. The introduction of the Tesla Model 1 has set the stage for a new era of affordable electric vehicles, and the automotive world will be watching closely to see how this exciting chapter unfolds.